And the race on, sweet na sweet Gondor guided missile. Like Manila moving up by the rail is getting personal. In between runners reality show moving up by the rail, the favorite wild drive. Simply strong alongside entry number 8 smashing success. Sheila finishes. Oy! Sobra na fourth last running by the rail Cold Turner. And entry number 10 aim to please while King Aljun is running in 14th. Inside the last 600 Gondor, sweet na sweet lake in Manila. Wild drive, Danori inside reality show running in 5th and running in 6th. Getting personal smashing success simply strong. Guided missile. Last 450 Gondor, sweet na sweet. Smashing success. Reality show in the middle. Racing towards the final turn. And into the exciting and long Santana stretch run. Reality show in the middle. Getting personal. Gondor, sweet na sweet. Smashing success. Simply strong. Lake and Manila wild drive. And at the number 10, guided missile. Reality show, Gondor, sweet na sweet. And finally, reality show, Gondor, sweet na sweet. Guided missile to smashing success, getting personal for your fan.